In this video, I'll demonstrate how to chain if statements. Now, in our shopping cart class, we have an order object that's being created. And as part of that order object, what's being passed off to the method is order.nonprofit. So we've got an actual type of organization that we've classified. And what we want to be able to do is calculate a discount based on the type of company. Now here I've got a system.out.println command, and as part of that is order.getDiscount. So let's take a look at the order class. Now here, when the order gets created, you notice that we have corporations for C, private for P, and nonprofit for N. And that's going to help us determine how that discount gets created. Now if I scroll down a bit, you can see that we have a call to a method calc discount right here. And there's our method right there, public void calc discount. So here's where we're going to chain an if statement to determine what type of company and what type of discount is going to be given. If, and its cust type equals nonprofit. Remember, we've got that in capital letters, equals nonprofit. And then we're going to put another if statement in here, because what we want to do is not just determine the customer type, but the actual total amount. Okay, so the discount is going to be based on how much the customer has spent. So if total is greater than 900, discount equals. Now this is going to be calculated as a percentage. You can see here that we've actually got return double to string, the discount amount, and then a percentage. So we're not actually going to be putting in a decimal value there. The actual percentage is going to be as it's demonstrated there. Now we'll put in an else statement, else discount equals 5%. Now, the purpose of that else is that if the customer hasn't spent more than $900, then rather than get a 10% discount, the customer gets a 5% discount. Now, once I've done that, I'll go down here, and we're going to put in another else statement. Else if customer type equals private. It was a private company. And then we're going to chain another if statement. Again, if total is greater than 900. So that's the bar we're going to use to determine what type of discount the customer gets. So in this case, it's a private company. The discount will be 7%. Oh. Added an extra line there. Go ahead and remove that. Okay, great. Now again, we're going to have an else statement. Else discount equals 0. So in that particular instance, a private company, if they don't spend more than $900, they're not eligible for a discount. Now, once I've done that, let's go ahead and put another else statement here, else if. And finally, we have our customer type. Cust type. And I just noticed a little typo there. Go ahead and fix that before I forget. Customer type equals a corporation. And then if total is less than 500, so we'll do a little bit differently here, then the discount is 8%. Else discount is 5%, let's say. The idea there being that the corporation is going to get a higher discount for smaller spends and lower discount for larger spends. So effectively what we've done here is nest or chain those if statements, and because back in shopping cart class we've said nonprofit, we should see 10% when I go ahead and run this. And there you go, the discount is 10%. Now let's do this. Let's change the value of the total and make that a corporation instead. Go ahead and test it again. And there you go. The discount is 8% because the corporation gets an 8% discount on anything less than $500.